Hello, you guys. So I am here today to unbox a planner that I received. I went out to the mailbox today and it was in there, so I was pleasantly surprised. I'm pretty excited to hurry up and get this thing open. So, this may be out of view just for a little bit because my address is on the other side and I don't want to put that on camera. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. All right, so what we have here is a nice soft cloth that it's in, and it says Chic Sparrow on it. And like I said, it's nice and soft, and I want to just go ahead and open it. So this is my first pocket. I do have something under it, but I'll show that to you guys later. So this is my first pocket. It feels really, really nice. It is the Deluxe Black Beauty Creme Pocket. It comes with white stitching all around, and it has a black little cord there to keep it closed. And the Deluxe with Chic Sparrow looks like this. It will have a pocket here, over here on the side, and it will have another pocket over here on the side with a pin loop. So it does have 5 bands. I'm sorry, 4 bands. 1, 2, 3, 4 bands in the inside, and of course the 1 band on the side here to close it. So that keeps it open and closed. Again, this is the Deluxe Black Beauty Creme. And in my notes, guys, I asked them, because this is my second creme, and I love creme, by the way. But this is my first black one. I got the Creme Brulee Deluxe in the B6 about a month ago. And I wanted to try a pocket to do something different than what I'm doing my B6 with. In the future, I'll share that with you all. But I ordered this pocket here, so it's my first black. But in my notes, I asked them to give me a creme that would be a little bit smoother. So I'm not quite sure if you guys can see this. I'm just gonna like wiggle it around a little bit and see if you can see the smoothness of this. And those who've actually have a creme will be able to tell that it is smoother. So each planner leather planner can come from a different part of the leather, so it may have some variations, but I knew that I wanted my particular creme planner this time to be a lot smoother than my last one, just to give me something to compare with. And it's not because I didn't like the creme brulee. I love the creme brulee. It is beautiful. And I wish I had it beside me so I could show it to you guys, but it's up in my craft room, and I don't have it close. But this creme brulee, black beauty creme brulee, black beauty creme pocket is gorgeous. And of course it smells good. Everyone always talks about the smell of their leather, but I love it. I love the look of it. I love the smell of it. I love the inside. I just love Chic Sparrow. Again, it is about the size of my hand, just to give you an idea. It does have the words on it, Chic Sparrow here. So it does have that words there on the back. And it does have the pocket here with a pin loop, and again with the 4 bands. And it has the pockets, 2 pockets on the side that can put a credit card or whatever, and then your stickers or your money, however you wish to set it up. So I'm in love with it. I can't wait to get it to get stickers and just different things to put in it and use it the way that I plan on using it. I also wanted to show you all that I got these dashboard pocket. I only requested 2 because these are my first time actually having these and will be using them. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out the plastic so it won't be so much shine on it. But so these are the pocket. They do the dashboards. They do have Chic Sparrow on them. Over here in the corner here it says Chic Sparrow. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. Let me get this piece of paper here. It says Chic Sparrow on it. So this is a piece of my mail here that came with it. So it does have Chic Sparrow on it, and I did get 2. And let me see. I'll go ahead and try to put 1 in here just so you guys can see what it looks like, how it looks when it's in here. So there we have it. It's on there. And when you close it, there it is on the sides. So I'm pretty excited for my, again, Chic Sparrow Deluxe Black Beauty Creme Pocket. If you guys are interested in a pocket or you're trying to decide what type of planner you should get and you're looking for a pocket size, I'm going to tell you right now, I love Chic Sparrow. Let me try not to move this around too much. I'm so excited I'm moving it. I talk with my hands, but I love Chic Sparrow, and I guess I can't say that enough. I only have 2 of them, but I'm in love with them, and I would assume that I will forever be in love with them. So if you guys are looking for a pocket, run right out and go get yourself a Chic Sparrow, or you know, grab what it is that you're looking for, whether it's in a pocket or B6 or you know, an A5 or whatever it is that you're looking for. So happy planning. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like, and please start to begin to look for my other videos. And I hope you enjoyed this. Have a blessed day, guys. Until next time, bye.